Well, this is my house. Obviously, it burned down. We had a house fire December 1st. It started in that room over there. It was my formal dining, it was like my office area. I'll give you a quick tour of the house. It's a two-story. This was my son's room. It's our master bedroom. It got so hot in here it melted my treadmill. You can see it got melted a little bit. Melted the blinds. Just a lot of smoke damage in the master bath. Burning the tops of the doors. But that's pretty much it. There's the garage over there.
All right, so today is the day we're demoing the house. This is like the first step in many steps of rebuilding. We plan to rebuild. We already got the plan designed. We're going to put the house about in the same location. So we have to do a little bit of dirt work. But before we do the house, we are going to build a shop. We're going to do a 40 by 60 full barn. And it's going to be on that side. I don't think you can see it. Maybe you can. It's going to be on that side of the house. So we're going to build the shop, and then we're going to slowly build the house. And I'm going to be doing majority of it, or at least GCing it, or general contracting. I did it on this one, and it turned out okay. So that's it for now.
Power wires lately? Did you see that? Yeah. I was like, holy I did. And I was just like, I'm in stuff.
It's day 2 of demo. It is kind of chilly. There's frost on the ground, but it's not bad. We're hard at it. First thing this morning, so let's finish this demo up. Well, guys, I think this is going to be the last load that they take out. All that has to be done after this is they're going to grade it, but they're not going to do that today. So it's pretty much done. It was fun to watch. I enjoyed it. So I'll keep you updated on our build process.